Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the event calendar and tracker in Google Sheets. This tracker comes with two theme options, the blue theme and the nude color theme. Simply choose the one that you prefer. This tracker includes a total of 14 tabs. Before using this tracker, please make sure to read and follow the important instructions in the user guide included with it. The first tab is the event log. This is where you'll enter all your event details. The table includes an archive checkbox, event name, date, start time, end time, category, priority, status, days left, and notes. Let's add an example. For an event, let's say meeting with client. Enter the date, start time, and end time. For the category, you'll see pre-made options in the drop-down. If you want to add more, scroll to the bottom, click Edit, then choose Add another item, and click Done. You can do the same for priority. For status, just select one of the available drop-down options. You can also edit the drop-down if you want to add more choices. The days left column is formula-based, so please do not edit it. For notes, you can add any important details related to your event. Now, let's add more events. For the archive checkbox, if an event is completed or canceled, and you don't want it to appear in the main list anymore but still want to keep it in your records, just tick the checkbox. The event will automatically be moved to the Archive tab. Let's check it. As you can see, the event has been moved to the Archive tab and is safely stored there. Going back to the event log. When you check a box, please allow a few moments for it to update. The automation may take a short time to process, so there's no need to rush when checking multiple items. Pretty simple, right? You might also experience slight glitching at times. This is completely normal because of the complex automation running in the background. It will only last for a moment. Now, let's move on to the monthly calendar tabs. At the top, you'll find all the months of the year. You can use these to quickly jump to any month you want to view. Every month has the same layout and structure for consistency. Each monthly calendar is arranged from Sunday to Saturday, just like a traditional calendar, and the numbers represent the dates. Here's how it connects to your event log. Any event you enter will automatically appear on the corresponding date in the calendar. For example, if you add an event on March 3rd, you will see the time and event name automatically displayed in the March 3rd calendar. And it works the same way for all months. Another feature is that when an event is marked as archived, for example, it will still appear in the calendar. However, it will look different. It will appear faded and with a strike-through. This helps you easily see which events are completed and which are still active. Your events are also automatically sorted in chronological order based on time. This means earlier events will always appear first, no matter the order you entered them in the event log. You can add up to 5 events per date. If you add more than that, they will not appear in the calendar. And that's how the tracker works for all months. Lastly, please do not modify anything in the tracker, as it may affect the automation. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using this tracker.